Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Got an exciting meatball recipe for you today. 3 of them, but it's going to make 4 meals. All right, we're going to go ahead and, as you can see, it's just Prego. But we're going to put about half of this jar in here. Alright. And we're also going to throw in 1/8 cup, or well, 1/4 cup of Romano garlic. Alright. We'll go ahead and throw the garlic in these pans as well. These are for our other sauces. Can never go wrong with garlic, folks. Alright. And along with the Romano, we're going to throw in some fresh grated parmesan into the spaghetti sauce. We are doing 3 different types of meatballs today. We are doing Thai chili with raspberry preserves. We're also doing sweet baby rays and grape jelly, along with the spaghetti. So, along with the spaghetti sauce. I'll go ahead, I'll get this mixed up. Throw a little pepper in here. And some salt. Alright, we'll mix this all up. Unlike the other 2 sauces, this one you don't have to sort of preheat to melt the preserves. Just want to mix it all together. These are 1 ounce prefab meatballs, folks. Yes, I cheat. I'm not making all these. Gotta be crazy. But there's about 35 1 ounce meatballs in each mini crock. And we're just gonna pour the sauce right over these. I've already sprayed them down with canola cooking spray. Makes for easier cleanup. And if you like a sweeter sauce, you can also throw about a tablespoon of sugar in there as well. Alright. Here's one ready to go. We're going to set this over here. We're going to go ahead and put it on high. Now we're going to work on our other 2 sauces. This is sweet Thai chili. You want to put in about maybe 16 ounces or so. 24 maybe, you know. Forgot my spoons, folks. Always forgetting something, you know. Alright, these are our raspberry preserves. This is a smaller jar. We're going to put roughly half of that jar in there. This is going to give it a kicked up sweet taste. Reaper's all about kicking it up. And for our sweet baby rays and grape jelly meatballs, this is a big bottle. We don't need the whole bottle, but I'm gonna use the whole bottle anyway. Get this one lit, if it lights. Modern technology, you know. There it goes. You just want to melt this down under about a medium heat. Sweet baby rays. And with the grape jelly. And it's going to be about half of that jar as well. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get these heated up. You can add it right to the crock pot if you want, but I found it's a little quicker heating it up this way. How you guys are doing this beautiful Sunday? And also, I gotta let you folks know, I have won the Paki One Chip Challenge. They are sending me my chip. I should have it in about a week. I'll go ahead and do a video of that, folks. Munching on that chip for you guys. Awesome. Alright. Just going to stir this up a little bit. Plus, heating the sauce up, you know, it's going to help the meatballs not take as long. These mini crocks. These mini crocks tend to not heat up the fastest, so this sort of speeds up the process. All right. And folks, while this is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and finish this without the video, of course. And I'll be right back with you when we're getting ready to pour these sauces over these meatballs. I'll be right back. Folks, hang in there. Welcome back, folks. We're ready to put our sauce over the other two of these. Thai chili, raspberry preserves right over the top. I really don't like using metal spoons in my pans. And sweet baby rays and grape jelly. My son loves these meatballs. Pour it right over the top, folks. Alright, now don't forget, you want to stir them every once in a while. It's going to take about an hour and a half to 2 hours for these to heat up. But until then, I'll be back with you then. We'll go ahead and get these plated. We'll go ahead and make a meatball sandwich as well. That's what I meant about 4 meals out of 3 appetizers. But I'll be back later. Thanks, folks. Hey guys, welcome back. Our meatballs are ready. As you can see, I already got a sandwich laid out, meatball sandwich. We'll throw a couple sauce ones on here. A couple of the sweet Thai chili. And the sweet baby ray. Alright. Toothpick in there, folks. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle a little Romano over this meatball sandwich. There you have it. 3 types of appetizer meatballs and the bonus 4th meal. Don't forget, folks, to subscribe, like, view the videos. Don't forget to share. Alright? We have fun. I'll see you all next time. Thanks for being with Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Have a nice evening.